In the coming years, global shipping will be facing tough challenges. Growing energy demand is pushing up liquid fuel prices, and the use of alternative fuels becomes ever more attractive. In addition, rising environmental awareness leads to stricter emission regulations, especially in the IMO emission control areas. In the future, these areas will be restricted exclusively to ships that fulfill the IMO Tier 3 emission regulation. To meet these challenges for tomorrow's shipping industry, MAN Diesel & Turbo presents its new fuel-flexible 4-stroke medium-speed engine that can be used for all applications, as a main engine for diesel mechanic propulsion, for diesel-electric propulsion, or as an auxiliary engine for onboard power generation. The MAN 3544DF. Its dual fuel technology with 2 separate injection systems makes it run on any fuel available, no matter if it's liquid fuel such as heavy fuel oil, marine diesel oil, and marine gas oil, or gas fuel like LNG. The 3544DF is based on MAN's well-proven 3244CR engine. Both engines feature a state-of-the-art common rail system with injection pressures of up to 1600 bars. In diesel mode, this system and other technologies enable the 3544DF to fulfill the current emission regulation IMO Tier 2. To meet the even stricter emission limits of future regulation IMO Tier 3, the 3544DF can also operate in gas mode. Switching to gas can be done on the fly at loads between 15 and 100% with no loss in engine power. To ignite the air-gas mixture, a small amount of liquid fuel is injected by a separate pilot fuel system. In gas mode, the MAN 3544DF fully complies with IMO Tier 3, lowering CO2 emissions by 20% and other emission levels by up to 99% and beyond, compared to liquid fuel operation. In addition, using gas as fuel also provides substantial economic advantages. Over the past years, the price difference between liquid and gas fuels has increased steadily and is expected to keep growing. As fuel makes up the largest part of ship operating costs, reducing fuel expenses is the most effective way to keep shipping affordable. Already now, using natural gas as main fuel enables ship owners to save fuel cost in a double-digit percentage compared to a conventional diesel engine. When looking at total operating cost, the savings potential becomes even higher. The MAN 3544DF allows ship operators to fully harness this potential, plus the flexibility to switch between fuels at any time for optimum resource utilization. For sustained operation on a wide range of gas qualities, the 3544DF features a fuel sharing mode. In this mode, both gas and diesel supply systems are active, which lets the engine run on multiple ratios of gas and liquid fuels. This makes the 3544DF virtually immune to variations in gas fuel quality, allowing it to operate even on gas that would be unusable for a conventional gas engine. Highest power output in its class, compliance with IMO Tier 2 and Tier 3 without aftertreatment systems, low operating cost, due to affordable gas fuel, complete fuel flexibility, a robust design based on proven engine technology, the ability to upgrade IMO Tier 2 compliant 3244CR engines to dual fuel operation entirely on board, and an increased vessel resale value due to an engine that fulfills all regulations for many years to come. All this makes the MAN 3544DF the perfect choice to keep cost of ownership down and give ship operators the flexibility and sustainability they need. With a 3544DF and the larger 5160DF, MAN Diesel and Turbo offers its customers a complete range of fuel-flexible 4-stroke medium-speed engines that fulfill all economic and environmental demands of tomorrow's shipping industry today.